Okay, this might be a little nerdy, but I sometimes find it interesting to check the uptime on my Android phone, meaning how long the phone has been running without restarting. To do that, we'll go to Settings and scroll all the way down to the About section. Then you can tap into Status Information, and here you'll see your uptime. Looks like mine has been running for 3 hours, 24 minutes, and about 30 seconds. If you're using a Google Pixel or Motorola, there's a similar menu just in a different place. You go to Settings and in the About Phone menu, then scroll down and you'll see your uptime. This one has been up for 98 hours and 48 minutes. If you're on a Xiaomi, OnePlus, Realme, or another type of Android phone, you'd go to the Device menu and then look for Detailed Info, Specs, or sometimes it's labeled All Specs, and under Status, you'll find your uptime counter. Anyways, that is how you check uptime on your phone. Let me know what your uptime is right now. Drop a thumbs up for the viewer who has the longest uptime, and you all should also subscribe for more guides like this one. Later.